Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Diecast Muscle 118, and we're going to be reviewing this Traxxas Slash today. Now I'm going to sit down because I don't want to be sitting or standing the entire time. Sorry for the shaky. Yeah, so I already took the pins out. And I don't know where to put the body, so I'm going to put it over here. So yeah, everything is stock on this still. I didn't do any upgrades. It'll be okay on the floor. I mean, I'm really new in this hobby, so I have no idea. I mean, someone have an idea what all this stuff does. Very good suspension up front. Nice and stiff and soft all at the same time, so you can take these jumps without worrying about, bottoming out or stuff like that. The ECU, that's waterproof. The cable. My battery is charging. So right now I am going to go through the accessories that you guys get. God, that's one big truck. Now, it's not like this, but I just put stuff in a baggie. Spare pinion gear. Whoop, not even on the shot. Spare pinion gear for like on-road stuff, but that you don't want to do that. Some suspension stiffening parts. Very nice. I'm just going to keep it stock for right now. I'm not even going to worry about that stuff. Oh, before I forget, if you guys do get one of these, it comes with a standard, like if you haven't got one, but it comes with a AC to DC it. Well, you got to get it. I mean, buy it. I mean, or you just plug it into your car. If you don't have a car, then I guess you're screwed. But make sure you get one of these for house use. And inside the box, I keep it for my tools. Let's get those out actually. And there's a tool sticking through. Curse you, frickin' big truck. It's okay. Think I got everything? Nope, I don't have everything. Damn it. Sorry. Yeah, so now I got everything. So we're good. Sorry, this name of this part escapes me. I think it's for the, nope. It's for something. I know it's for something. Huh. Well, anyway. Enough to try to figure that out. I gotta figure out off camera. So, this is gonna be for your wheel and whatever else that you have on the truck that will make it, Allen wrench, Hex wrench. That's for the top shock towers and the bottom. A mini one and a smaller one. In fact, let's see where this goes actually. Nope, doesn't go in there. Anyway, yeah, so that's that. Oh, and these. This baggie is for your body mounts. If you want to use them, which I don't, I guess. I mean, I mean, you can. And it does include spare copper pins in case if you lose the 4 that you got. And let's see, what else? What else is there? So I'm just scratching my neck. The instruction manual. Oh, the quick start guide. My bad. Yeah. And there was something else too. Anyways, yeah, so hopefully a little later on we can actually take this truck out and get it dirty. If I can pick up that damn thing. And let's get back onto the truck. Sorry. There we go. Steering servo. I think this is waterproof also. Sorry if I'm all over the place if you can't follow. This is my first legit hobby RC truck. I have one, but it's not hobby grade. It's toy grade. But all I know is the motor is still brushed. 12 turn. And there's 3 modes you can do with this truck. Sport mode, which is like the normal mode off the assembly line. Race mode, which gives you 100% throttle and 100% brakes, no reverse. And training mode, that's 50% throttle or 50% power, and then 70% reverse. I think it said. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the bouncing around. And I just forgot to show you guys something. So we're going to go over here. Excuse the messy carpet. This is my charging station for right now. This is the wall charger that I just showed you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the complete bouncing around. And yeah, have a good one. Peace.